Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to tomorrow's weather today. Um, Today I have a morning update for you on Gonzalo, um, Tropical Storm Gonzalo, Hurricane Hanna, and Hurricane Douglas. We will talk about Gonzalo first, as it is the weakest of the three. Um, really quickly, heavy rain from Gonzalo is nearing Trinidad and Tobago, 40-mile-per-hour storm, as it is much weaker. Looking at satellite doesn't look very impressive and it's very south. We talked about this in the first video that a weaker storm would track more south, and since this is a weaker storm, it has done so. Recon plane went in there yesterday and found winds of 40 miles per hour and a pressure of 1,009 millibars. This is expected to dissipate by tomorrow afternoon, Sunday, 2 p.m. Um, as it is a small storm and it did become overrun by the dry air. Um, there, I think it might dissipate by tonight, maybe even tomorrow morning, but we will see. That's tropical storm uh, Gonzalez. Taking a look at Hurricane Hanna, winds of 75 miles per hour, a pressure of 982 millibars. This was, I believe last night it was in the high 990s, so it dropped a lot. But looking at it, it should make landfall by this afternoon, and a hurricane warning has been issued for much of the Texas coast with tropical storm warnings extending from there. Looking at surge, this will be definitely a threat today, as surge could reach 3 to 5 feet between Sargent and what is that? Baffin Bay. Between Baffin Bay and Port Mansfield, 2 to 4 feet, and Mansfield down to Rio Grande, 1 to 3 feet. Sargent to High Island, 1 to 2 feet of surge. Looking at rainfall forecast, most places will see 2 to 4 inches, 1 to 4 inches. As you go farther south into Texas, 4 to 6, 6 to 10, and 10 to 15 inches are possible. Maybe even some more. Definitely a huge threat today is the rain. Tropical storm force winds, very high chance of seeing that in southern Texas, and hurricane force. Not as high, but the chance is there. Now, being so close to land, we can look at radar. Um, and radar looks, I've seen better looking hurricanes on radar, but yet again, this isn't, this isn't the strongest hurricane. Let's go with that. You can see the bands making it on shore. Oh, and one other thing, we do have a tornado threat um, coming along with Hanna as Hanna makes landfall. Um, See a 5% chance for tornadoes today. That's going to be associated with these bands. I'm going to look on radar and see if there's any on my phone. There are no current tornado warnings um, as of right now. I'm working to get radar scope on my computer just so we can see the warnings and I can help with severe weather and do live streams possibly. But we can see the center of circulation here, and we can see an eye wall certainly trying to get going right here. It's broken in nature, but it is there. This will be making it onshore in the next couple hours as the day moves along, and you can see these bands making it onshore now. Surge definitely probably has started. Um, and this, by the way, this is from Mark Nissenbaum at FSU. I will leave the link down in the description below. Looking at satellite, definitely looking. You can see down here there's a little bit of voidness with the clouds, but if we take this on the last frame, you can see that curve curvedness to the eye wall right there. Definitely looking very impressive on satellite. Looking where it is right now on the surface map, you can see it right here. Will be moving onshore in the next few hours. There is a plane in there. Let's refresh this. Um, I found a pressure of 982 millibars. Um, and at hurricane strength, you can see the purple wind barbs right there, which do indicate hurricane strength. Um, so this storm is still um, strengthening, and it will need to be watched as it does strengthen more as it gets close to the coast of Texas. Really quickly, I just want to look at uh, sea surface temperatures, Western Atlantic. Waters are very warm, 30 degrees Celsius. Water is not going to be a problem for it as it moves inland. So that is it for Hanna. We are going to now go to Hurricane Douglas. Let's see if they expect. Hanna is supposed to get up to 80 miles per hour. Um, so we'll see what happens with that. Douglas is now in the Central Pacific. It is going to impact the Hawaiian Islands. Um, but the good thing is that the track has shifted significantly more to the north than originally thought. It was originally thought to be going close to, if not over, the Big Island, but it is expected to hit the northern islands, the smaller islands. Um, Regardless of where this goes, heavy rain is still an impact for every single island. You can see hurricane watches and tropical storm warnings have been posted. Definitely looking a lot worse on satellite this morning. The eye is filled in with clouds. It is racing off to the northwest very quickly. Outflow expanding, and it looks to be maybe sheared on the southern side, but that doesn't take away from the dangers that Douglas is bringing. Dangerously close, blah, 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 blah. High surf. Um, yeah, but little changes in the track could take the heaviest rain from the Big Island and bring it into one of the smaller islands. Um, but otherwise, Hanna probably the biggest threat today. Douglas tomorrow possibly. Um, so we'll keep a close eye on it. If you have a radar app, stay close to radar. Um, and if you live in southern Texas, be careful of flooding, heavy rain, and tornadoes, especially to the right of Hanna's track over here. That is it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe and turn on those post notifications so you never miss a new video, and I will see you all tomorrow.